Get ready to unleash the ultimate outdoor adventure with the 2-unit Roto MAPS. This innovative playground equipment is not just a set. It's a gateway to endless fun and excitement for kids of all ages. Standing tall and proud, the 2-unit Roto MAPS is a colorful marvel, boasting a vibrant blend of green and yellow hues that instantly capture the imagination. At its core lies the Roto Tunnel Slide, a thrilling descent into adventure that promises giggles and thrills at every twist and turn. But the excitement doesn't stop there. To the delight of little daredevils, the Roto MAPS also features the Roto Straight Slide and the Roto Double Slide, offering multiple ways to slide into fun and excitement. For those who prefer a challenge, the X-Zero game beckons with its strategic gameplay, encouraging young minds to strategize and outsmart their opponents in an exciting outdoor setting. The Jumble Climber, a maze of colorful bars and platforms that inspire kids to climb, crawl, and conquer new heights with every step. And let's not forget about the classic joy of swinging. With the 2-seater swing, children can soar through the air side by side, feeling the wind in their hair and the thrill of freedom with every swing. With the 2-unit Roto MAPS, every day is an adventure waiting to happen. So gather your young explorers and let their imaginations run wild as they discover the endless possibilities of outdoor play. Experience the magic of the 2-unit Roto MAPS and unlock a world of fun, laughter, and unforgettable memories right in your own backyard. Adventure awaits.